Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to schedule a Google Meet. Step 1. Go to the Google Meet site and sign in with your Google account. Select new meeting, then select a schedule in Google Calendar. Step 2. Google Calendar will open with your account in a new tab and all of the meeting's information on the event detail screen. Enter a title, select the date and choose the start and end times for the meeting. Step 3. Add your meeting participants using their email addresses under guests. On the right, you can check the boxes for guest permission if you want to allow any for your participants. Step 4. Optionally, you can set up notifications, include a description, and select a color to code the meeting of your Google Calendar. Meeting on your Google Calendar. Step 5. When you finish, select Save. Step 6. You be asked if you like to send email invitation to your guests. Choose back to editing to make changes. Don't send if you plan to share the invitation with them yourself or send the email invitation. Step 7. When your participants receive the invitation, they can accept or decline just like any other event you invite them to with Google Calendar. They select Join with Google Meet in the event on their Google Calendar or the link to Google Meet in the email invitation to join the meeting. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.